Hi there, welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. I'm Aditya Sridhar. The final hall ticket for the MBA CET second attempt is out. So please log in and download your final hall ticket and see where your center is. And 9th May के लिए अपना डे प्लान कर देना कि आप कब निकलने वाले हो. If your center is in a different city or very far, where you're going to stay, how you're going to travel, please plan all of that today itself. And apart from this, this is what I want you to do in the next 3 days. So 9th को आपका एग्जाम है. We still have 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, 4 days in our hands. And first के 3 days में I want you all to take a mock during your exam timing. So just like the exam conditions, I want you to take an exam at that time. And apart from this, एग्जाम के जैसे आधे घंटे पहले आपको कुछ नहीं करना होता है, राइट? यू हैव टू जस्ट सिट एट योर पीसी एंड वेट फॉर द एग्जाम टू स्टार्ट. आई वांट यू टू make a scenario like that. Just sit at your desk, don't do anything. You can do some mental math. Just sit at your desk and start the exam, start a mock test exactly आपके एग्जाम स्लॉट के टाइम पे. सो वो टाइम पे यू विल एंश्योर दैट योर ब्रेन इज एक्टिव ड्यूरिंग 9th में. 3 दिन के लिए आपको ये करना है. उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली एनालाइज द पेपर. डोंट डू एनी न्यू टॉपिक्स एट दिस पॉइंट, but what I wanted to focus on is reducing silly mistakes. जो भी सेक्शन और टाइप ऑफ सिली मिस्टेक आप करते हो, please note it down. I made a detailed video on silly mistakes. And my tip is that for in the next 4 days, आपका maximum opportunity to improve your marks is not from new topics. It is from reducing your silly mistakes. अभी भी a lot of students are telling me that they are losing 5 to 10 marks in silly mistakes, which is way too much. And वही 5 to 10 marks हमें लाने की कोशिश करनी है. That is easier to get than getting 5 to 10 marks from a new topic, right? तो ये चीज पे आपको फोकस करनी है. सिली मिस्टेक्स रिडक्शन पे आपको फोकस करनी है. On 8th में what I want you to do is just revision, nothing else. Just revise the formulae, revise the silly mistakes that you're making so that you're aware and don't make the mistakes on the next day. Just पूरा ओवरऑल एक रिविजन कीजिए and get enough rest for the next day. Plan your travel, plan your day, visualize how you're going to attempt a paper, visualize yourself doing well in the paper. बहुत सारे टॉप एथलीट्स विजुअलाइजेशन करते हैं बिफोर an important match or an important race or an important event. I want you to do all of that. And जो भी आपका रिजल्ट रॉ स्कोर जो भी आया हो इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, I want you to forget about that and take the second attempt with a completely fresh state. Remember this thing, आपका first attempt का जो भी marks है, good, bad, it does not depend on the second attempt at all. Those are two completely distinct tests. तो अगर आपका फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट अच्छा भी नहीं गया हो, this is an opportunity to do completely change the game and get yourself your dream college. Do not let your performance affect the second attempt. अगर आपका बहुत अच्छा भी गया हो, you're already thinking that maybe JB is possible. Remember कि nothing is sure at this point कि आपको JB मिलेगा कि नहीं. That's why just remember, don't think about the first attempt and do your best in the second attempt. And just to build on the point of visualization and manifestation, I want you all to comment below what your target is, what you're going to achieve in the second attempt, and manifest that for yourself. And I hope that you all do really well. All the best to all the students. This is the last exam of the year. All the best. I'll see you guys in the next video.